Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Matt's equipment from MA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now this goofy lamp does not have any power, and we also have troubleshooted a little bit, and we know that at some point someone has been into the lamp and did some resoldering, and that caused a little more damage. We need to resolder the main power PC board, so we'll take care of those issues. So we want to finish up our troubleshooting and make our repairs. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that there is a main power switch at the base at the back of Goofy, and you always want to make sure that that main power switch is in the off position when plugging in or unplugging the electrical cord to an electrical outlet. You would also want to make sure that any electrical outlet that this type of lamp is plugged into needs to be in good condition. And the electronics associated with animated style lamps are very acceptable to power surges, and it will damage the circuitry. Now we're going to go ahead and turn the main power switch on. You may see a little bit of a flash of light. That's just an indication that the lamp has power. So we'll go ahead and turn the unit on, and we're ready to start our final checkout. We're going to go ahead and turn the lamp on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
We're going to wait a second, because these type of lamps, you don't want to turn them on and off too quickly. So we can go ahead and turn the unit off now.
Who turned out the light?
Now Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the unit back on.
Hello? Hello?
We'll give that a second. We'll go ahead and turn Goofy off.
Where'd you go?
And we'll give that a second. Turn the unit back on.
Things are looking brighter already.
We'll go ahead and turn the lamp off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And we'll go ahead and turn Goofy back on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Matt, and he can enjoy this Goofy lamp once again. I'm sure Goofy's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.